So how do you get more iPad storage but not on the iCloud? So you probably know that you can upgrade your iCloud storage inside of the settings app and whatnot, but what if you don't want to do that? Well, you have some other options and plenty of different solutions. For example, you can go and check out your Google Photos for backing up your photos, which is not iCloud, but you can upload your photos right there. If you want to, you can still subscribe for the Google services by buying Google One, but you don't really have to, as you also have some storage for free right there. Same goes for the Google Drive, where you can still just have, I believe, 15 gigabytes of free storage available right to you for your Google account. So if you don't want to just buy more iCloud, you can explore some cloud storage services which are from third-party providers like from Google or even a Dropbox, right? There are plenty of other services which let you just upload your files to a cloud and not necessarily pay for it if you are not using too much storage there. So, yeah, you definitely should explore these other options. But I keep mentioning in these videos that I still like to use the good old-fashioned external discs where I just connect it through a cable or some kind of dongle to my iPad. I'll just copy and back up all of the data to that external disk using the Files app, and I'm basically good to go. I don't have to pay anything or have any cloud services. So yeah, it's pretty much been working for me. And yeah, I would recommend you to explore that option as well. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll catch you later.